Next up is the triple shuffle time step. So where we had a step in the single, a flap in the double, now you're going to have a shuffle step. Shuffle steps make 3 sounds. That's why it's called a triple. So give it a try. Now that you've learned your single and your double, we're going to move on to the triple. So the triple replaces the step that was the single, the flap that was the double, with a shuffle step to make it a triple. Okay, 3 sounds, 1, 2, 3. And with this time step and with pretty much all of them, when you're adding in a triple, you're going to do a shuffle to the side with that one. So it's not correct to do your triple out front. You're going to kick it out to the side. So you've got your shuffle at the beginning, your hop, shuffle step, flap step. Then it goes to the other side. Shuffle hop, shuffle step, flap step. So smoothing it out, it's going to be shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, fall, lap, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, fall, lap, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, fall, lap, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, fall, lap, step. There we go. Starting with the right foot, kind of slow. You're doing shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, fall, lap, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, fall, lap, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, fall, lap, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, fall. 8 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, fall, lap, step. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, fall, lap, step. Okay, I have to tell you, the triples have always been my favorite. There's something really neat about seeing a group of tap dancers doing triple time steps where their feet are all in sync, and you've got that front shuffle, and then you've got that side shuffle that's faster and that everybody does together. It just looks really cool on stage. Let's go through it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, fall, lap, step. 8 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, fall, lap, step. Five, 6, 7, shuffle.